Please install our mobile app, available for both Android and iOS devices. It will work on phones, tablets, and also on Mac computers. By using our app, you can connect to your spectrometers, calibrate your device, add or remove materials your device identifies, change the color of your material identification LED, and much more. Step 1. Open the App Store or Google Play Store. Search Matoa. Then, simply install the app. Step 2. Create an account. Simply fill in your details and press register. You should now be logged in. You will be sent a link to the email address used to verify your account. If you do not see the email in your inbox, please check your junk mail.